Okay, it's right.
We're in the library.
Library. Milburn was up here before.
He was.
He was smoking the pot.
Getting high on the doobie of life.
Just like the big forehead.
Oh.
Shit. Do you want to play a game?
No.
Oh, fuck. I'm melting.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty fucked, isn't it? Oh, shit.
Ew.
I'm trying. Fuck. Oh, no.
Dale. Dale.
Yeah, well,
You're really far away.
what's going on?
You're really far away.
I've got a big face. Do you want to do something after school, guys? Go to the movies.
Hello. Cool, man.
That's pretty fucked up. Oh shit. We look
That's
ugly.
my phone.
Ugly as never right there.
I'm cutting down now.
That was an action shot.
I have to go.